Meaning of Hispano.
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 Hispano. The prefix Hispano - originates from the Latin word Hispania, which refers to the Iberian Peninsula, comprising mainly modern-day Spain and Portugal. Its meaning is therefore related to the culture and people of this region. When used in words or phrases, Hispano - often denotes a connection to Spanish-speaking regions or communities, such as Hispanophone, which refers to people who speak Spanish as their first language. The prefix is also commonly used in relation to Spanish and Latin American culture, history, and heritage, as in Hispanic art or Hispanic literature.